small town on a railroad track. The sun was rising on a distant shore. I didn't know what I was searching for. Miles behind me, the future ahead. New streets calling where my feet would tread. Every corner held a mystery, like Jah was writing a new story for me. Then the wind changed direction that day and carried my lonely heart your way. Oh, on an island of destiny, your eyes found me across the sea. One journey ended, another began. The moment you reached for my hand, oh, love came shining like morning light, turning strangers into paradise. I traveled far just to find your heart, and now we'll never be apart. I saw you standing by the marketplace, a gentle smile upon your face. The world slowed down as our eyes met there, like heaven answered a silent prayer. You told me stories of your hometown. I shared the roads that brought me around. Two different paths, one melody, bound together by destiny. And every mile that I traveled before led me straight to your door. Oh, on an island of destiny, your eyes found me across the sea. One journey ended, another began. The moment you reached for my hand, oh, love came shining like morning light, turning strangers into paradise. I traveled far just to find your heart, and now we'll never be apart. Under moonlight by the ocean tide, no more reason to run and hide. The road was long, but now I see love was waiting patiently. Strangers into paradise. I traveled far just to find your heart, and now we'll never be apart. From distant roads to endless skies, I found forever in your eyes. The journey's over, the search is through.